Okay, so let's see if we can configure a virtual server in Google Cloud Platform to host, for example, Minecraft. That would be interesting to know. So yeah, just search for Google Cloud and go there. There we can see get started for free. $300 credit for free over the next 90 days. That is actually a good offer. No auto charge of a free trial ends. Okay, it's like Azure, but you have 90 days here instead of 30 days, and you have $300 instead of $200. So I guess this is better, depending on the price, of course, we will see. Okay, so when the registration for the Google Cloud Platform is done, I think we can log into the GCP and go to the dashboard. So this is what I see here. Let's continue. What should we do first? Compute engine, virtual machines, VM instances. Let's see. Okay, I enable that. Let's do this from the beginning. We create a new instance. I will call it. So this is server Europe, Finland, general purpose. Let's see. Fine enough for me. Balanced size 10 gigabyte. Okay. Yeah, we hit create. I think we should add this data disk. I'll do it later on. Okay, so now we have created our virtual machine, and let's continue. I need to add a new disk for this one. We have one deployed together with the operating system, but let's create another one. Okay, let's call the disk data disk. We should keep it in the same region as the server is in, so that's Finland. And I will have 50 gigabytes, and we don't need snapshots on this one. Labels, okay, create. Okay, so let's continue with the virtual machine. We need to edit this one. It is currently running. So let's see if I can go in and edit and add the disk here. Edit. So let's see if we can add the disk here. Somewhere storage. Here we have storage. Add attach existing disk. So let's see this one. Yeah. Data disk, read, write, deletion, delete it, device name, data disk, save, and save. Disk, yes, local disk, additional disks, 50 gigabyte, cool. Let's go back. Okay, so yeah, so here is my virtual machine instance, so I can use the built-in SSH remote tool to connect to it. So what should we start with? Maybe we should start to see info about that disk. Okay, fdisk, we don't have that, of course. Let's see, do we have, I'll just try this one first to see. Okay, so let's see this as well. Oh, sorry. Java version, we don't have it. So what do we have actually? Do we have this one? The firewall? No, we don't have that. So we need to install a couple of packages. So I guess we just go ahead and do that. Just update the tools list first. So then doing an upgrade. Yes, I want to continue. So we are up to date with all the packages. So we can start installing some tools needed. We need this the fdisk is needed. Yeah, and I need the firewall. And yeah, let's install the Java as well. Checking the extra disk where I would like to have Minecraft server running on. So just have to list what we have. Yes, we have SDB is the one that we need to work with. Okay, so that means we need to move in the command mode for that one. STB. Okay, so we can see, for example, here we should create a new partition. We don't have it in here. We can print partition as well, of course. Print the partition table. So there aren't any partition tables. So let's create a new one. And I guess we can go with a primary. We shouldn't have more than one anyway. So, and let's have it as number 1. The first sector and the last sector. Okay, so let's print it. So now we can see that we have this partition here at the bottom, STB1. And when we are done, we just write it. And we need to format it. mcofs, and it should be STB1, right? Try that one. So it's formatting it. So after the format, we need to mount the files, mount the drive or the disk to the file system. So I just start creating a folder. We need to mount it mount it. Type ext2 is the default for Debian. We can of course check. Maybe it's good to check it actually. What kind of type it is. So we can see this is our is ext2. We also need this one, the UID of the partition. So I will copy that. So I have it. Yeah. So we can go. We can mount with txt2, and it is SDB1. Should be mounted to data. Just do like this. So it's an empty disk, more or less. So we have it mounted now, and since Linux is, as Linux are, built up of a number of text files, we need to edit the file system stable file. So let's do that. First, I just copy it. F-stub and copy it to the same folder, and fstub dot backup, something like that. Okay, so now I have it. Yeah, we can see fstub. We have it here and we have it there. So it creates an old, if you write, I guess, as well. And by that, we should edit it. Stop. So we add this UUID equals, oops, that is what I had in my, interesting. But lucky for me, I was able to write it up here earlier. So yes. So this is the user ID, the UUID that we checked before. This is mounting point or directory, and the file system type. And then I just use the defaults. So we should exit this one, and we should write it. Oh yes, file name to write. Stop. Okay. Now it is. Here we have the firewall. So we can see, for example, here we have 3389. It is allowed. So I just think there is nothing that listens on this port, but so they just add it to the firewall like a default thing if you choose to install Windows. So we don't need that one. And I would say we don't need this ping to be open as well. So just delete them because we don't need it. Hopefully things doesn't stop working for us now, but I can't see any reason why you should be able to ping a server from the internet. So yeah, we need to create a firewall rule. We need to add Minecraft Java server, something like that, right? Logs, we don't log anything. Network default, low priority, or maybe this can be this is higher priority than the existing. Incoming traffic, allow, targets all instances on the network, specified. Okay, I need some IP address range up there. So this is the firewall ports for Minecraft server anyway. And so we need this one. Yeah, I think it should be like 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, slash 0. Yes. So this is internet, I guess. Okay, great. Oops, the lowercase. Okay. Of course, it's command based, I guess. So like this, all small letters, and now, great. Creating firewall rule for Minecraft Java version. So what have we done now? Sure, we need to we change it to our new disk, and let's do this directory. Oh, sorry, like that, right? And now we have our directory where we should have our Minecraft installed. And where do we get the Minecraft from? Minecraft Java. Let me get that one. Copy link. So let's see. I think wget and maybe this one will work. No, I think I need sudo as well. So we don't have wget. Typical, right? So wget didn't work, but why not install it? So wget. Oh, of course, like that, right? Okay, fast enough. Let's try this one. wget. We have the yes. We have downloaded Minecraft server. So we have the command line here. This is not completely correct, so just modify it here so it looks better like that. Yes, let's roll. So I had some issues with the Java version. I had to download an older version of the Java. So it was the same issue I had when I installed the server in Azure actually. So I just downloaded it and unpacked it. So it's unpacked there. And then I created shell script for starting Minecraft server as well. Just using default command line as specified on Minecraft site. And I used the complete path to Java in the start script, as you can see. So let's run the server and see if it's working. It will, of course stop because we need to accept the Euler. So just list, you can see we have the Euler.txt. We need to edit that one. And let's open up that one, and we need to set it to true. Like that, and write it again. So, and let's try again. See if things working. So it's starting up. Yeah, now we can see that it's listening on that port. So let's try. Yeah, you can see now we have configured the firewalls correctly. So that's always a nice check to see if the firewall is configured correctly. So now we just have to wait until the server is started. Okay, server has started, but it says it's overloaded. That's kind of interesting. But yeah, let's try with the Minecraft client to see how it works. Yes. Multiplayer. Add server. And let's call it my GCP Minecraft Java server. Okay, add the IP address and done. Yes, we can see join server, joining world. Yeah, whoa, oops. So, oh, try to swim in lava. Okay, so I can stop this one now. So, I guess that's all, and I just shut down my server now, and thank you for watching the video.